I just recently found out about this website that you can use to make unlimited free ads to make huge money online. In this specific video, I'm going to be talking about drop servicing. It's a very crazy trick that I've recently been using to see well over $500 to $1,000 per day. In total, so far, I've earned about $17,000 drop servicing through tons of these free unlimited ad websites. And I'm going to show you the exact service that I used and exactly how I've been promoting my service that I've been drop servicing. So for those of you that don't know, drop servicing is very similar to that of drop shipping, but instead of drop shipping physical goods or products, you're now drop shipping rare high income skills and services that people pay hundreds to thousands of dollars for, and they take years to study. You can now sell with literally no degree, no nothing, and make huge money online. And it's really not that complicated at all. It's far quicker and simpler than what it seems. It's very easy to make money with this. And the thing is, once your ads are up, this becomes completely passive for you because your drop servicing website is going to be doing all the selling for you. And in this exact video, I'm going to show you each and every step that I took to make over $17,000 drop servicing with all these unlimited free ad websites. This amount of income I earned probably through a period of about 6 to 7 months, just promoting these services through free ads, getting 1 or 2 people to buy on a daily basis, and I've built to a savings of about $17,000. And considering that I didn't spend a single cent on promoting my services, it's all free traffic, this is really not bad revenue at all, as this is all complete profit. And also in this video, I'm going to be doing an amazing giveaway. I'm going to be giving away my $397 6-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp with over $19,470 to one lucky winner. So all you need to do is leave a like on this video, make sure that you subscribe down below to this channel, Millionaire Mindset, with the bell on. I have a tool called vidIQ where I can see that. Comment down below that you've done so or your favorite quote, and then in tomorrow's video I will announce the winner to the giveaway to this course. But if you do want to see what I do full-time off of YouTube, it's a concept called drop servicing, like I teach in this vague video that I'm going to show you now. But this is a far more 57 lifetime access in video in-depth course where you can get lifetime mentorship from me as well, and over $19,000 worth of bonuses and modules in this course. It's currently on huge special which lasts for about another day or two, so definitely head over to the first link in the description, take a look at this 26-minute free training here. It explains exactly what drop servicing is, what exactly is in the bootcamp, and all the results from my store from this bootcamp. My top store made over $228,000 in 2020 alone from the information that I teach in this bootcamp. So this website over here, make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this in a bit, is a very unique and interesting database that I found that identified over 70 free unlimited ad websites that I can go and use to promote my drop servicing offers. So over here, take a look at this. There's all of these websites over here. Classified Ads for Me, adclassified.in, locanto.com, adpost.com, adlandpro.com, freeadstime.org. It goes on and on and on and on and on. Honestly, this is probably more than 100, so maybe I should have retitled the video to 100 free ad websites, but it's amazing how much traffic you can actually get access to on this database completely for free. This is a real hidden gem, so really make sure to keep watching if you really want to see how to get a ton of drop servicing sales and make tons of money online through your drop servicing website and getting sales. So what I quickly want to show you is I want to show you how much traffic these websites are actually getting. Like this website over here is worth $137,000. Let me copy the link to this website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to a website called SimilarWeb, which is an analyzing tool that you can use to see the back end of a website to see how much traffic it's getting. So all you do is you come over to similarweb.com, paste your website over here, click on the website in the drop down, and take a look at this. This website is currently the 18,978th biggest website in the world, currently the 4,000th biggest in the country of United States, and the 5th biggest website in its niche in the world. So this is a website you can understand why it's worth $136,000. Currently getting 2.28 million visits every single month. This video, I'm going to show you how you can get a piece of this traffic on over 70 different websites, which is all the websites listed on this database over here. So remember, classifiedads.com is only one out of 77 different free ad websites and unlimited ad websites that you can go and use to make a ton of money from with drop servicing. So all you're going to do is you're going to copy the same website that you have pasted into SimilarWeb or the website that you have chosen off of this database. I'm going to reveal it in a bit, so make sure to keep watching for that, and make sure to keep watching till the end so that you can get that giveaway to that 6-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp. So over here is what classifiedads.com looks like. Now you can drop services in every single one of these categories. So for example, let's go over here to web design and tech services. What you want to go and do is you want to click on this category over here. You want to click on post an ad at the top right where it says free. Your category will automatically select services and web design for you. Your location is quite simple. You have to be in the United States to use this website, but just come over to Google and type in US fake address generator. Over here, you can come over here. It will generate a done for you address for you. Just copy the zip code, come back to post ad here, click on paste, and choose the drop down over here. It's then going to ask you for your ad title, your asking price, and your description. Before we go and enter this information such as your ad title and price, you want to come over to Fiverr.com, choose the web and mobile design niche over here. Over here, you can see different people. Let me just change this to United States dollars as this is in rands, my local country. You can see different services that people are charging to design a website for you. So I'm going to come over to programming and tech, and I'm actually just going to choose the WordPress niche. Over here is a person that will create an entire WordPress business website for you within 12 hours. So let's go web development pricing in the US to see what companies in the United States charge. So over here, how much does a website design cost? The average cost for designing a website ranges from $1,000 to $100,000. So these are what local companies in the United States charge. But what these people don't know is you can go over to Fiverr, pay a simple little expert on Fiverr $20 to design you the same thing. Now you can go and sell the service for about $200 and keep $180 in your pocket every time you make a sale, and you're not even doing the hard work yourself. You're not making this website and you're not performing the service yourself. You're transferring the work from Fiverr to the person that's buying the service from you on classified ads. All you're going to do is you're going to click on this gig over here. You can copy this title over here, click on right click copy, come over to this post ad over here, paste this. I will create, let's just change WordPress, any niche website or business website within 12 hours for $200. Asking price, you can put your $200. Your description, you can come over to the Fiverr gig. You can pretty much copy all of this information over here. So let's just copy this. This is the entire description. Paste this over here so you can just see it says all the services included, included services, why choose us, and then all you want to change is the name. So for example, we're just going to change this to Jay Froneman. Your name, you can put your name and then your email address. Copy your email again, your phone number, which you can go and copy off the fake address generator over here. Paste this here. You can expire your ad in 6 months. Just enter your code over here, which is like a captcha code 63 LT, and then the image. If you want to use an image, what I suggest is come back to the gig on Fiverr and pretty much just use all of these images over here. So just right click, save these to your PC, post it on your gig over here, and then when you're done, you want to click on post ad over here, and there you go, and you can see your ad has now been posted. And people browsing through this section, when they see your ad and are interested in getting a website design, all they do is they click on your gig, they pay you, you create their site within 12 hours. All you do is you go over to Fiverr.com, pay them $20. Remember, your clients already paid you, and you're making $180 every single time. And if you want to take things to the next level, you can create or import your own done for you landing page. Just create a little bit of a professional brand. This is a website that I designed. I'm selling a service through Fiverr, and then you can go and charge at least $100, $200, $300, 5 times more than what you would as a simple freelancer through free classified ads. Why? Because the brand just looks so much more professional. Remember, in the online world, brand sells. The better your brand looks, the more you can charge for your service, because people will most likely buy your service because they can see you've got a good quality brand and service. They're willing to rather invest their money into you than some random freelancer off of these classified ad websites or off of Fiverr. This landing page was designed with a tool called Kartra.com over here. But if you'd like to actually get this landing page for yourself, it actually is included over here on my drop servicing bootcamp here, my done for you drop servicing agency given to you. So this store personally generated me $98,000 in 2020 alone. At the end of my bootcamp, I actually give to you this entire done for you drop servicing agency. That's email templates, done for you funnel, done for you checkout, done for you payment system already made for you to get paid, valued at over $9,000. I would value this to $98,000 because that's what it earned in 2020, but I just put a value of $9,000. This is given to you for free in my bootcamp when you join this bootcamp. So definitely you can either get it through there. So definitely it's a great way to go and get this through my bootcamp. Otherwise, you can go and build a similar store manually or import a done for you template through the Kartra campaigns over here, where they have tons of templates for you. But definitely don't forget about the giveaway that I mentioned in the beginning of this video on how you can win my 6-figure bootcamp. And also, like I said, if you want to learn more about what I do full-time off of YouTube called drop servicing, and if you want to claim all of those bonuses, head over to the first link in the description and I'll see you at this free training over here where I explain everything.